Good morning, Pennridge, and welcome to Season 10 of the Daily Ramble. Thank you, Timbo, for the amazing intro to kick off the year. I'm Austin Schlabig here with your announcements for Wednesday, October 28th, 2020, Day 1 on your academic calendar. It's a Cohort B day. The weather today will be a high of 60 and a low of 50 in the evening hours. It looks like the rain is going to stick around all week, which might make Friday's game cold and wet as temps reach a low of 43 degrees. Bundle up this week. Let's move on to lunch. Today, the cafe will be serving bacon cheeseburgers, sweet potato fries, steamed broccoli, fresh fruit, and of course, your choice of milk. And breakfast and lunch are currently free. Also, there will be after-school instructional support today. Please check your flyer in the classrooms for subjects and the teacher's room number or on the high school website. And attention all students, don't forget that Halloween is quickly approaching. A students, wear your costume on Thursday, October 29th to school. B students, wear your costume on Friday, October 30th to school. Remote kids, feel free to join in on Zoom. Please make sure that all costumes are school appropriate. And finally, hello Pennridge. This week for Pink Out, we will be raffling off a JBL speaker. It is $2 for a ticket and a wristband, and each additional ticket will be $1. You can purchase tickets at your lunch until Friday, October 30th. All proceeds will be donated to Grandview Hospital for breast cancer research. That's it for me. Now off to the desk.
Thanks, Austin. I'm Tim here with your main office news. Let's get right to it. Next week, we have the following virtual visits scheduled: Virginia Wesleyan, St. Bonaventure, Michigan State, University of Scranton, Manor College, and Gwynedd Mercy. Visit Naviance to register for these after-school presentations. Please contact Mrs. Lewis if you have any questions. Furthermore, AP exams will be given to students from May 3rd through May 14th, 2021. Students who wish to take one or more exams must register and pay for them in advance. Students or parents must pay for their exam fees online at the time of registration through total registration. Students must sign up through myapp.collegeboard.org and through total registration. Registration ends on November 6th at 4 p.m. That's it for me. Now off to sports with Nick.
Thanks, Tim. I'm Nick Fleet here with your sports for the day. Girls water polo, playoff game away at 4:30 p.m. versus Wissahickon High School. Bus departs at 2:45 p.m. Boys varsity soccer away at 4 p.m. versus Hatboro Horsham. Tech pickups at 1:15 p.m. and the high school departures at 1:45. And the Pennridge varsity football home games are sold out but can be watched live on the Pennridge TV YouTube channel. Please see the link below. Also, congratulations to the girls soccer team on winning their 5th straight conference championship last week. And good luck in playoffs. And congratulations to the boys and girls water polo teams on qualifying for the playoffs. The girls play Wissahickon today at 4:30. The boys will host Souderton tomorrow at 6 p.m. And congratulations to Ashley and Diego on winning the cross-country conference championship race. Also, congratulations to the girls volleyball team on winning the conference championship. And lastly, FCA will be meeting in room 110 on Wednesdays at 6:30 a.m. for Cohort B and Thursdays at 6:30 a.m. for Cohort A. Come to the pond doors to enter. All are welcome, and you do not need to be an athlete to attend. See you there. That's all from sports. I'm back to the desk with Natalie.
Thanks, Nick. I'm Natalie with your Teachers and Club News. Hey PHS, are you interested in celebrating different cultures around the world? Well, the International Cultures Club is back. Our organization believes that the beauty of the world lies in the diversity of its people. We are actively planning each club meeting to be fun, engaging, and interactive for you. Stop by room 323 or email Mrs. Russell to sign up today. And join the nationally recognized Unified Students by pledging to choose to include and spread the word that the inclusion revolution is here. We will be selling t-shirts for $10, sizes and supplies limited, and asking all students to sign our banner. On Tuesday and Wednesday, you can find us outside of the White Gym in the morning and by the second floor office at dismissal. On Thursday and Friday, you can find us in the CAF in the morning and by the weight room at dismissal. You can also sign the banner between classes on the 3rd floor between the LGI and the Audion. Cash or check made out to PHS Unified Track. Moving on, attention members of Yes Theory Club. We will be holding our first group meeting on Friday, October 30th from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. in room 112. Please contact Mrs. Day on campus if you plan on attending in person or on Zoom. Thank you. Hey Pennridge, SAD and Key Club are hosting the Hope is Not Canceled Walk. It will support suicide prevention awareness and mental health services in our community. The walk is open to all PHS students and staff. It is on November 7th at 1 p.m. on the track at Hellman Field. A $10 donation by November 4th will get you a t-shirt, and all proceeds will go to the Bucks County Suicide Prevention Task Force and NAMI. Please email Mrs. Rissmiller or stop by room 214 for more information. And Do you like to help others? The Student Sunshine Club is for any student interested in helping to raise money for other students in need. Help brighten up someone else's high school experience by bringing a little sunshine to your classmates. We will have our first meeting on Wednesday, October 28th after school in room 350. Please contact Ms. O'Brien or Mrs. Baker with any questions you have. Lastly, the Rams for Choice Club, which discusses pro-choice issues, is having their first meeting virtually or in person with social distancing on Thursday, November 5th, starting at 2:30 p.m. in room 106. Email Mrs. Bates, sbates@pennridge.org, for the Zoom link if you wish to attend virtually, or find the QR code on a poster around school. All are welcome. That's it for us. Thanks for watching and have a great day, Pennridge.